Morning, everyone. Thursday 21st, I guess. Anyways, too much snow in the mountains, so I come down here in town, and this is a kayak park, basically. They have a big race here every year called FIBARK, First in Boating on the Arkansas. And they've redone all this down here. Made it pretty cool. It's the old Public Service Colorado building, original building. The one next to it's original. And then all this here is all new. But I'm over here. Now this is what we call Tenderfoot Mountain. It's 600 feet high. It's the biggest Christmas tree in the world. Lights it all up in the shape of a Christmas tree in the winter. Pretty cool. And this over here, there's like 30,000 people that come here every year ever since I think 56 or something. Right over there was the Monte Cristo Hotel where them cars are parked real close there. If you ever heard of the Monte Cristo sandwich, this is where it came from. And then it burned down and moved across the parking lot there to the other side, but it's like 2 feet down, getting close to where it was. This was also a big railroad station here. They had a round table that could handle 75 engines. That's over there past the caboose. That's one of the original little narrow gauges from town here. And I thought I'd just come over here. There's been hundreds of thousands of people through here, and they scraped a little off this surface in here. You can see more of the railroad stuff down there. Anyways, I was just going along right here, minding my own business, metal detecting, and managed to pop this old railroad pick. It's very different. I think it had a blunt end here. It's really bad shape. But it was just below the surface, as you can see. It was just sticking up. The point was started up here. And just a few minutes ago, found this little box. Pretty hard to see anything, but it does have a little ornate on it. Pretty hard to see, but maybe. It's got a little ring here at the top, so maybe I'll come up with some other stuff. Okay, I'll get back with you. Alright guys, day wouldn't be complete without a spoon. So here it is. I don't see much on it. I'll clean it up and show you later. See you in a bit. Hey guys, just want to do a short little wrap up here on my finds at the railroad station. Seen the pick, or the railroad pick. And I also got this little pigeon deal that they put around their leg. I believe that's what it is anyways. So key, nothing special. It's a Graham key. Got Lee on the back. Pretty cool find anyway. Then I got this little box thing Cleaned it up a little bit. If anybody could help me out on this, I'd appreciate it. It's got a little fancy on it. Got this little deal on the top, and it's got like a little pin hinge where it was hooked in, and then come over here and clip shut this opening up here, and it would have folded up this way. I was thinking maybe it's a match container. It would hang on a wall. Tried straightening a little, but it's so fragile it just goes away. And here's that spoon I found. I cleaned it all up. Nothing fancy on this. But it looks silver, but I don't know. Maybe you guys can help me out. Probably won't be able to see that, but it's Rogers. It's a Rogers spoon, and there's no marks on it for silver, but at the very end it says silver metal. If anybody knows what that means. So anyways, oh, got one more thing I forgot. Damn, found this dime. Bad shape. Cleaned it up. It's got like bubbles on it. I'm pretty sure this was in a fire. Well, it's a 1958. Still a silver coin. Roosevelt. You can kind of see him there. I don't know if you can see the date or not. But anyways, that's about it. I'll be back at it here again in a couple days. So, happy hunting. See y'all later. Bye-bye.